So here's how to install Xbox Game Bar on Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, you will need to open Microsoft Store, and then in the search bar you will need to type Xbox, and then click on the first Xbox app and make sure to install it if it's not already installed. And then you can simply click on Open, and it should open this window right here. Just wait for it to load. Now, simply you should on the left side you should sign into your Xbox account, and then after that you can click on Settings, and then click on Apps, and then make sure you have the game bar installed. It should pop up in here saying Install Game Bar as dependency. Now, if it's not already installed, it should be a warning here saying you need to install it. You can simply click on Install button and then wait for it to download and install the game bar. And now after that, you can simply close out of this and open the game bar by holding Windows and G key, and it should open Xbox overlay on your main screen. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.